Watch Season 4 of Akram's Ideas and join me, Akram Taghavi-Burris, as I continue my sewing adventures and share ideas, plans, and a few sew-alongs to inspire your own sewing. Follow along as I whip up scrumptious treats that are so easy they practically take no time to make. And to add to your home decor, I've got some fun DIY crafting projects in store this season. All of this with a bit of a vintage flair. Surely there's a little something for everyone. So subscribe today and don't miss an episode of Akram's Ideas, bringing creative and crazy ideas to life.